Good afternoon. This is Tina Gote presenting the Student Records Discussion Board. A summary of the scenario provided. Ms. Smith, mother of 3 students, filed a class action lawsuit against the school district and administrators claiming the practice of peer grading violated her children's 14th Amendment right under the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, FERPA, of 1974, which established laws that ensure student privacy and parent-student control over educational records. She argued that allowing students to grade each other's work and call grades out aloud embarrassed her children. Legal question: do student grading assignments constitute educational records under FERPA, making grading a violation of the Students' Privacy Acts? The Supreme Court decision case Owasso Independent School District v. Falvo, 2002, ruling stated that student graded assignments are not educational records under FERPA because they are not maintained by an educational agency. Are classwork, class test grades an educational record? No. FERPA only applies to records kept in the student's permanent file by school officials. According to the previous case stated, student graded assignments are not educational records under FERPA. Does this practice violate FERPA? Why or why not? The practice does not violate FERPA. Peer grading does not constitute an educational record. The grades are not recorded or maintained by the school until the teacher records a grade. Therefore, it's outside of FERPA protections. If I were a principal and working with a teacher, Ms. Smith, the first thing I would do is respond to the above case as the school principal giving her guidance, acknowledge her intent, and enhance her intent to enhance learning, ensuring the privacy, and be mindful of the student comfort, and discuss possible alternatives for calling out grades, or consider a self-check system. I would also clarify FERPA policy considerations. Peer grading is not considered educational records, so that there is no FERPA violation. In addition, I would reaffirm support in the teacher and maintaining effective teaching methods, and work together to find a balance around students comfortable with student privacy in mind. That concludes my post for today. Thank you.